Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be trying on some outfits that I'm planning on wearing on my solo holiday to Greece in a week's time. Not too sure what I want to wear. I'm only bringing a carry-on bag with me. So I've got a little free bag and then I've got I can't remember the sizes now. It's EasyJet anyway. It's the one that you pay and then you bring it on board and you store it up above you as opposed to a big suitcase. I'm going away for over a week. And I struggle with packing my bag, so I have to be really mindful in what I want to bring. I love dressing up when I'm on holiday. I love wearing different outfits every single day and every night, but I won't be able to bring like 16 to 18 outfits with me. So a lot of the same colour palette and a lot of the same sort of style. It's easy to mix and match. And at the end of October, the weather's looking all right. Looking at the low 20s, 22, 23 degrees. Some days there's some clouds, some days there's some wind. But so far, no rain, which is really good. I did go last year. If you want to see what myself and my son got up to this time last year, we went to Crete and Santorini last year. It's because Santorini flights were like £15. So this is the reason I'm going back to Santorini again. I don't need to go back there, but it's a way of getting into Greece so that I can hop on over to the other islands. But yeah, if you want to see what we got up to last year, then I'll pop a link down below in my description because I do vlogs on my other YouTube channel, which is called Claire Goes Where. I'm full of cold. I'm not feeling my best at all. I just really hope that I'm well enough to go next week. But let's crack on with this video with some outfits that I'm hoping to bring anyway. Starting off strong, I love this outfit, so it's definitely coming with me. I literally only bought this dress about 2 days ago from ASOS. It's on sale on their website. I think it was like £15 or something. I just love this, especially if you've got a bit of a belly. It sort of disguises it. I'm a size 16, I'm just under 5'9". I got a 14. When it comes to more fitted styles, I've always tended to size down. I know this fits fine, it's really, really nice. And the length, hopefully you can see there. I'm not used to filming me wearing clothes. This, I love this. This is a gorgeous kimono. This is from Free People. I love it, I absolutely love it. But I didn't get it when I saw it on Free People. I'm obsessed with Free People, but I'm obsessed with their sales. This was on their website about a year or so ago, maybe 2 years, and I was umming and ahhing whether to get it or not. I think it retailed for about £80–90, and I've got loads of kimonos. This is my staple. Long dresses, kimonos, and fedora hat, and aviator sunglasses, and either gladiator sandals or Dr. Martin boots. It's always a variation of those type of clothing, yeah. But anyway, I saw this on Vinted a couple of weeks ago. It's one size and I bought it for £30 and it's perfect condition. It doesn't look like it's been worn, but this will just go with so much. I've got some little black dresses which I'll show you. So this is definitely coming, definitely. I thought I'd stay with the kimono and show you what it looks like with my other dress, so I could wear this at night. I can wear my first outfit, wander around Santorini, doing shopping, whatever, and then I could wear this at night. Again, I got this not so long ago, about a week or two ago. It's from Very, the online store. This is a 14 again, and I'm not a 14, I am 16, something's an 18. It's body hugging, it's got a little bit of a shelf, not much. It's completely strapless, and yeah, it's 3/4 length. Imagine loads of jewellery, maybe a hat. No, I wouldn't wear my hats at night. If I were to wear this during the day, I don't know. Anyway, I'm just trying to think what can I wear and what bag I should wear. I've got a brown and a black bag that I'm bringing with me as well, so maybe my black bag at night. But it's going to be quite cooler at night, so this will be quite nice actually because it's wool. It's very thin, it's got loads of holes in it, but it is wool. But yeah, it's a nice little simple, really comfy. That is the main thing that I'm going for, is comfort, but also clothes that I love wearing and I feel good in as well. So yeah, so this is my black dress, and now I'm going to swap over some kimonos. This is another Free People one. I bought this probably about 2 years ago on the sale. It goes with a lot of my clothes, obviously. So yeah, it's just nice. I love kimonos, just throw over my top. I'd say I'm quite bohemian. That's the sort of style I love. So very flowy, floaty, whimsically-ish. but then I do like my tight little dresses and big boots as well. I don't know what style I am, to be honest. So that's another look, and this is another one. I'm not too sure about this one. This is probably more evening, going for a few drinks for a meal. It's another kimono. I have got a denim jacket with me, and I have got like a, oh, it's like a tie-up shirt, but it's open. It's got no buttons, but I can tie it up if I want to. I got a black one of those, so it's like a throw-over top thing. But I just live in these all the time. It's quite nice, quite long. I can always tie it up in the front there if I want to, but I don't. No. So some nice jewellery, my hair done nice. A nighttime cocktail type of outfit, but lightweight, easy to wear, easy to pack. This is why I love kimonos, little dresses, because they only take up a tiny amount of space in my suitcases. All right, so now on to another dress that I'm thinking. This is from Next. I got this in the Next sale, and this is a size 16. This is really lightweight. I've put a belt in there just to give it more shape. There is a tie there, but because it's all the same colour, it's sort of all lost. So I think a belt just helps, like sort of finishes it off. You could do ties at the back there, and this is quite long as well. Normally I have problems with length dresses with Next because I like mine to be right down on the floor, or at least at my ankles. And yeah, this one comes just at my ankles, which is fine. This is quite a good one to have day or night, really. Yeah, day or night. I don't know. Let me know. This is one of my favourite dresses, and I've got 5 of them. It's just so comfy, easy to wear. I love the Grecian back. It is so pretty. I don't know what size this is. I think it's medium. I bought one for £88, which I think was a brown one. And then all the others I bought when they've been on sale for £25, £40. They're just the perfect summer dress for me. It's quite flowy, but also it gives me a little bit of shape as well. Oh my God, my cold and flu medication is wearing off. I think I'm just starting to sweat. I'll carry on though, I want to complete this video. So yeah, I'm thinking of bringing this. The only thing is that it's not heavy, but when you roll it up, you have got a bit of a chunk in the suitcase. A really easy thing to wear. Gone back to a kimono, because I love them. And I got a little dress. So I got this kimono years ago from Free People, again on the sale. I can't remember how much I paid for it, probably around £40, something like that. I think it's really pretty. I really do really like it. And I thought it goes okay with this dress. I bought this dress from Shein. I went to Santorini with my family a couple of years ago, and I bought 3 of these dresses. I bought a black, white and this dusky pink. It does need an iron. If I didn't wear the belt here, then this will just come straight out. So it'll be like boobs and then so it'll just make me look wider. With the belt coming in, it just gives me more shape. This dress is a little on the short side. Yeah, I just thought it was quite cute. I don't know if it's too cute for a woman of my age. I don't know, but I was just thinking, if it's really warm, it'd be nice just to, I could take the kimono off maybe. Yeah, I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure about this one. I got a jumpsuit this time, and the jumpsuit is from Next. I got it on sale, on their summer sale a couple of weeks ago. These are a size 14. They pull up, because obviously I'm not a size 14, not really. Or I could be, I don't know, I could be a 14 to 16 to 18. It all depends. The reason I went for a 14 is because I got these in a 16. They're great when they're first washed, but then they sort of sag here and they just don't look great at all. I saw these on sale a couple of weeks ago, and I thought, oh, I'm gonna get the 14. I had to snugly like get them over my bum, but when it's up and they're not gonna move. I love the fact that I've got pockets in here as well. Yeah, I do love a jumpsuit, and I'm wearing it with a Free People kimono. Again, I got this years ago. It's got bobbles on it. If you look closely in the inside, I love this one. I love the shape of it. It's in the same sort of shape as, do you remember the very first one I tried on? The knitted one. So it's that sort of style. I just really, really love it. Nice and flowy and nice and long as well. So I'm definitely going to be bringing this. I've got another Free People dress for you. Got this on sale. Actually, it was £88. I think I got it in Black Friday last year for something like £16. It was half price, and then Black Friday you could get an extra 20-30% off, I can't remember, but yeah, it's a medium. A medium in Free People is a 12 to a 14. The sizes tend to be a little bit on the larger side of sizing. Whenever it's a dress like this where it's not particularly fitted, you know, I always go for a medium then, because I just think that if I wear anything that just swamps me, being tall and quite wide, it just doesn't suit me. But yeah, I am not too sure about this. It does show off my tattoo. My husband was like, did you buy it because it shows off your tattoo? No, of course not. It goes down to the floor, which I love again. But is it a day dress or a night dress? Maybe my Dr. Martin boots and my black fedora hat, I could get away with it being a day dress. I don't know, but then at night, my hair up, some nice more blingy necklaces, different handbag. I do like it, and I haven't worn it yet, so it's been nearly a year since I've had it and I haven't worn it yet, so maybe this holiday is the time for me to wear it. But yeah. Now this next one I've had for years, probably about 10 years. I got it from TK Maxx and I haven't worn it in a couple of years. I don't think since COVID anyway, but I saw it in my wardrobe and I thought, oh, do you know what? It is such a comfy jumpsuit and it goes down to the floor. So it's really, really long, but it's just so nice and easy to wear. I am actually thinking I might have put it on the wrong way round. It feels a bit weird on my arms. I'm not too sure, but yeah, I like it. I wouldn't say it's like, oh my gosh, I love it. I did years ago, but I think it's because I've had it for so long and I've worn it so many times as well. But it's just really nice and easy to walk around in. I've just tied it in the front there, but I think I can tie it like a double tie. I don't know, I just do it there just to give a focal point in the middle there. I like it. Does it look back to front to you? Does it look like this should be the front and not my bottom? I don't know. I don't know what size it is. I've been a size 16 to 18 for about 15 years. Haven't changed. But yeah, I'm on the fence about this one. I don't know. Back to this kimono again, and this time I've got a really nice little strappy khaki dress. It says I got it from Everyday. That's the label on it, Everyday. I think I got it from Very, and it's a size 16. But yeah, it's nice. It's nice. It's not too clingy. It is clingy, but it's not too tight, you know? It's nice and stretchy, and it's nice and lightweight, easy to roll up in my suitcase. Again, to give me more definition, I've got a belt there. Believe it or not, years ago, I used to have an hourglass figure. My hips and my shoulders are the same size, regardless of what size I am. But my waist used to be a lot smaller. Not teeny tiny in comparison to my shoulders and my hips. After having my last child, my body shape's just changed and I'm now a column. I'm just straight up, straight down. Not much curve going at all. It might be a little bit, but yeah. Having like a belt like this, it just sort of draws the eye in a little bit. Just think, oh yeah, I have got a bit of a shape going on. I do really like this. I love the colour combinations as well. Very autumnal, like my very first outfit that I bought with a burnt orange dress that goes with this colour. This colour, isn't it? That was beautiful. So yeah, I'll be bringing this dress with me. This is a jumpsuit from River Island. I bought it last year. Cost me something like £38, something like that. Size 16. It's pull on and then it's got ties that are just decorative there. But yeah, you just pull it on, pull it up over your bum and up over your shoulders. Because I've got really broad shoulders. I don't know what it is, but I really like halter necks, how they look on me. I just think they just flatter me better than if I just had just normal straps. Maybe it doesn't make any difference, I don't know. But there's one negative about this jumpsuit that I don't like, is that they're a little bit too short. They could be an extra inch, then it would be perfect. Maybe if I went for an 18 last year, it'd be better. But then 16 fits me fine. Oh, see, do you have this dialogue going through your mind when you purchase clothes? So yeah, I love this, absolutely love it. I'd wear it as it is like this at night. Yeah, I'm not too sure about daytime. It's more dressy, isn't it? Definitely more of a nighttime sort of outfit. This over the top of it, just to cover my shoulders, or I could take it off. yeah, coming to the end of the video, which is probably a really long one. These are the clothes I got left. They're all black because they're easy to take with me. So I've got another dress here. I love this one. This is Misguided, size 16. It's a figure hugging 3/4 length dress. Really nice and easy to wear, not too tight. Just goes with all my kimonos, which is why I thought, right, I'll take that. I'm showing you a 3/4 length strapless dress. Well, this is a mini strapless dress. And where do I get this from? Next, size 16 as well. So it's just figure hugging to just above my knees. So again, kimono, denim jacket. Remember my dusky pink dress? Well, I got one in black there. It's just a shorter dress. So I thought that could go with a lot of things as well. You know, I've got a strapless mini dress, a strapless 3/4 length dress. Well, I've got a strapless maxi dress. And this is ASOS size 14. And yeah, that goes down to the floor. So I've stuck to similar clothing that can be easily mixed and matched. I have got some shorts as well, but I'll be wearing them underneath a dress as opposed to just wearing them. I'm not a shorts and t-shirt kind of person. I'm not going to bring jeans this time of year. I remember from last year it was just too hot. For me anyway, I'm from the UK, so it's yeah, it's warm for me. Sandals and boots. 2 hats, a brown and black shoulder bag, and I think that's it. So yeah, so I've got quite a lot to choose from, and obviously I can wash while I'm out there as well. But yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts, and if you're stuck around until the end, thank you so much. And yeah, let me know if you like these type of videos and if you'd like to see me do more. But yeah, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.